learn how to connect LED strip lights without a connector. So in this video I will show you how to connect to any LED strip lights without a connector. Before I continue, you need to confirm the amount of voltage your LED strip light needs. So in this case, mine needs 220 AC, 220 volts to 240 volts Fahrenheit. In other cases, there are other LED strip lights only needs like 24 volts and others 12 volts. First, you will need to make connectors like this. I showed you how to make connectors like this in the previous video, so I will use this to connect the LED strip light like this. Next, you will need an extra wire like this one. Strip this to expose the wires like this. Next, I'm going to connect this LED strip light to this wire. So we need to identify the positive side and the negative side. So in this case, this is the positive side. So I'm going to solder red this side and then black this side. I will use this hose pipe just to protect this section. After securing this section, next you will need a LED bulb. Any old LED bulb that you no longer use, you will need it. So we're going to open inside the LED bulb, and there are two terminals. There is an input and output. So between these two terminals there is an input out and output. So we are going to use a multimeter to check the input and the output side. It's very simple. So to check that, you need to set your multimeter on continuity, and so this is AC input. So let's try in any terminals between this side and this side. So this side is the input side. So this side, this is the input side. So that shows that this is the output side. So I'm going to solder the two wires this side. There is a positive and a negative. So this side is red and this side is black. Let's shorten the wires to have a clear and a clean soldering. Positive to positive and then negative to negative, and we are done. So let's try this and see if it works. So I will secure this side more to be on the safer side, because I don't want any loose connection or any naked connections. The last video that I did connecting the LED strip light without connector, I connected this LED strip light direct on the AC DC, but the way the light was lighting, it was like flickering, it was not like clear. But in this case, this connection, this light will not flicker. So let's try it. So the last video was not the proper way to connect the LED strip light without connector. So in this case, let's see. The LED strip light is connected, and this is the right way. So if you disconnect it first. If you're watching this video and you're new to this channel, Cedoh Kingdom, consider subscribing, liking the video and sharing the video. Let me hear your thoughts on the comment section about this video or any other ideas in mind that you have that can help make another idea and good idea. Let me hear your thoughts on the comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you.